In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Notion. We'll walk through how to access Notion AI inside your workspace and use it to draft, search, and improve content directly on your pages, all without leaving your flow. Start by going to Home in Notion. As soon as you're signed in, Notion AI is available in your workspace. There's no separate sign-in just for the AI. If you switch between workspaces, make sure you're in the one where AI is enabled so the tools appear consistently. You'll know you're in the right place when you see AI options available in the interface. Next, click Notion AI. This opens a prompt space where you can ask, search, or make. Think of it as your command center. Ask questions about your docs, search across connected pages, or generate content right where you're working. For best results, keep prompts clear and focused, and mention any important context, like the page or project goal, so the AI can tailor its output to your needs. Now open your 2026 goal tracker, or the specific project you want to work on. Opening the actual page gives the AI context from headings, databases, and nearby text, which leads to more accurate summaries, better suggestions, and more relevant drafts. If you use templates or database items, staying on the target page helps AI understand the structure you already have. If you already have content written, highlight the text you want to refine and select Ask AI. From here, you can ask it to improve the writing, adjust the tone, fix grammar, or make the passage more concise. Before you accept changes, review the preview to ensure the language still sounds like you and matches your audience. If the output isn't quite right, refine your prompt. Try requests like make this more action-oriented or simplify for a quick status update, and run it again. Nothing is finalized until you accept, so you can experiment freely without losing your original text. At any time, type /AI to insert AI blocks or ask Notion AI to draft something new. This is great for creating summaries, outlines, or first drafts without interrupting your typing flow. You can also use the circular AI icon in the bottom right corner of your page. Click it to open quick actions tied to the page you're on. It's perfect for fast follow-up questions, generating a checklist, or summarizing long sections while you scroll. Prefer the keyboard? Open the AI, type your prompt, and press enter to run it. That's the workflow. Go to Home, open Notion AI, jump into your project, refine content with Ask AI, and use the bottom right AI icon or /AI for quick access. With a few focused prompts, you'll draft faster, polish your writing, and keep projects moving seamlessly inside Notion.